Welcome to Pydle Day 76. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle looks like train tracks, so have a go at solving that. If you haven't played Pydle before, you just like to watch a bit of Python on the screen, then hang around, because I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was a funny face. Now it's symmetrical around the y-axis, so we're going to use Cartesian coordinates for x. But y, we're just going to use Pydle coordinates for y in range 5. And x, we're going to say for x in range -2, 3. That's going to give us our Cartesian coordinates. Okay, so let's do the red pixels first at the bottom of the smile. So let's do, so if y greater than 2, that's the 2 index of that row. So it's going to focus on the bottom of the smile. And now we're going to use this kind of diagonal, and we can test for that by saying absolute x equals 5 minus y. Okay, so it's going to work. So if x, absolute value of x, if it's 2, which is these two values, then at that stage y is 3, so 5 minus y is going to be 2. So it's going to work for that one and that one. So let's quickly just make sure that works for us. So it's x plus 2, and y can we just use straight. Okay, so you're just going to slowly build up the picture. Okay, that gives us that part of the smile. And now the other two red pixels, we're just going to say or x equals 0 and y in 2, 4. Okay, so that's both these pixels are on the x equals 0 line, and then the y is this is 2 and 4. Okay, so we've got that part of the face, we've got that. Okay, next one we're going to tackle is the white, and we can simply say all the remaining pixels on y equals 3 should be white. So else if y equals 3, we're going to do Pydle white. Okay, so that, I think got that wrong. It's 3, it's not 2. Okay, so the face is slowly starting to develop. We've got the teeth. Okay, next ones would be the blue eyes. The majority of the pixels are orange, so we're going to leave that till last. And we can write the condition for the eyes as we've got to create a tuple absolute value of x, y. Well, it's because the face is symmetrical around the y-axis, and that's going to be 1, 1. Okay, why did that not work? Why did it? Oh yeah, you have to have valid syntax for it to indent properly. Okay. And we need lowercase o there. Okay, so all that remains is the rest of the face, the orange. Let's do else, and all the rest should be orange. Okay, and that solves the Pydle. Hope you had fun solving that, and have a look at today. This should be a very simple one, and then I will see you again tomorrow with a solution.